Toward the end of summer, your artichoke plants are going to look like this, dead and sad. I'm Christy Wilhelmi from Gardenerd, and today I'm going to show you how to prune them to get them ready for winter. The most important thing to know before we get started is that artichokes are perennial plants, which means they may look dead, but they're not. They've just gone into dormancy, or in some cases, not, when they send out new shoots. Our job as gardeners is to cut off all the excess stuff that produced this season to get them ready to store energy for next year's growth. It's pretty easy. All you need is a pair of shears and a pair of gloves, or not even gloves, and in the case of some really thick stalks, you may need a pruning saw, or a good pair of loppers. You'll notice that some of the stalks have dead leaves attached to them, where if they're close to the ground, we want to just pull those off and leave that stump the way that it is. These other guys, these need to be cut back, but I need to be careful because there is a pup growing from this one. All right, this is all dead leaves. I'm just gonna snip these off and clean this up. But this is really close to the soils level, so I'm not gonna cut this down at all, just gonna leave it. Then we get to things like this, where the whole stem needs to come down. Now, my shears are too small for this, so I'm going to grab loppers, and let's try it this way. These are ratchet pruners, so like that, it's gonna take this down. And then this big guy has a pup growing from it, so I want to make sure I don't disturb where that's growing from at all. It's actually down here pretty far. So for this, I'm going to take my loppers, start out higher. There you go. And then if I want to cut down further, I can. We clean off the old stuff. This guy has hollowed out, but it's okay. I'm just gonna leave it. Now this artichoke is ready to start up some new growth for next season. And that's basically it. It doesn't look great, but it will next season. So I've cleaned off all of the dead material from these artichokes, and they're ready to produce for another year. And all of this material can go in the compost bin. So remember, when your artichokes are finished for the season, don't pull them, they're perennial, prune them instead. And you'll have artichokes producing for you year after year. For more information about growing artichokes and other thistle-y type things, go to gardenerd.com and check out, while you're there, my books, my online courses, and consider becoming a Patreon subscriber to support all the free stuff we do here at Gardenerd. Patreon subscribers gain access to behind-the-scenes goodies like monthly hangouts with me and expedited answers to your burning gardening questions. Happy gardening!